Feeling stuck and like abundance is just out of reach? You might be making some common mistakes without even knowing it. In this video, we'll explore 5 common abundance mistakes that you might be making and provide actionable solutions to help you attract more abundance into your life. We'll dive into the mindset shifts and habits that will help you break free from limitations and live a more abundant life. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or just want to upgrade your lifestyle, this video is for you. If you're ready to turn your abundance around, keep watching. Many people struggle with abundance due to limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, and unproductive habits. Let's identify these mistakes that could be blocking your path to abundance. It's easy to get caught up in a never-ending cycle of lack, but it's time to recognize the patterns that are holding you back. Abundance is a mindset, and once you understand where you're going wrong, you can start making changes that will have a significant impact on your life. So are you ready to confront the mistakes that are standing in your way? You see, when we're stuck in a scarcity mindset, it's hard to break free from the idea that there's never enough. But the truth is, abundance is all around us. It's time to shift our focus from lack to abundance, and that starts by recognizing where we're going wrong. We've all been there, feeling like we're not good enough, smart enough, or lucky enough. But those beliefs are just illusions, and it's time to break free from them. By recognizing these abundance mistakes, you'll be able to challenge those limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Most people struggle with abundance because they're not aware of the mistakes they're making. They're stuck in a cycle of negative self-talk, always focusing on what's going wrong instead of what's going right. They're living in a state of constant stress and anxiety, wondering why they can't seem to catch a break. But it's time to change that narrative. It's time to start focusing on abundance, on what you're grateful for, and on the good things in your life. We've all heard the phrase, "You are what you think," and it's true. Our thoughts shape our reality, and if you're constantly thinking about lack, that's exactly what you'll attract into your life. But what if you could flip that script? What if you could start thinking about abundance, prosperity, and joy? That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Many people think that abundance is just about making more money, but it's not. Abundance is a state of mind, and it's about living a life that's full, rich, and meaningful. It's about waking up every day feeling grateful and excited for what the day will bring. So, if you're ready to shift your mindset and start living a more abundant life, let's get started. We'll go through each of the 5 mistakes in detail, discussing how they manifest in your life and the impact they have on your ability to attract abundance. We'll explore the fears, doubts, and insecurities that are holding you back and give you actionable tips to overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of where you're going wrong and what you can do to change it. Mistake number 1 is believing that abundance is a destination. So many people think that if they just work hard enough, they'll finally reach a point where they can relax and enjoy the fruits of their labor. Yet without the right mindset, you likely will spend as much as you make, increasing expenses as the income increases. But abundance isn't a destination. It's a mindset. It's about enjoying the journey, not just the end result. When you focus on the journey, you start to appreciate the little things, the beauty around you, and the people in your life. You start to live in a state of gratitude and abundance, even opulence. But what happens when you're stuck in a mindset that's focused on the destination? You start to feel like you're never good enough, like you're constantly failing, and like you're just not doing enough. That's a toxic mindset, and it's holding you back from living a life of abundance. Another mistake people make is focusing on what they don't have instead of what they do have. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negativity, always focusing on what's lacking in your life. But that's not going to attract abundance into your life. What you focus on grows, and if you're constantly focusing on lack, that's exactly what you'll get. The third mistake is waiting for the perfect moment to start taking action. So many people think that they need to wait until they have more money, more experience, or more knowledge before they can start pursuing their dreams. But the truth is, there's no perfect moment. There's only now. And if you're waiting for the perfect moment, you're going to be waiting forever. The fourth mistake is trying to control everything. When you're trying to control everything, you're coming from a place of fear and scarcity. You're worried that if you don't control every aspect of your life, you'll lose control and abundance will slip through your fingers. But abundance isn't about control. It's about trust. It's about trusting that the universe has your back and that everything is working in your favor. The fifth and final mistake is not taking care of yourself. When you're not taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health, you're not able to show up fully in your life. You're not able to pursue your dreams, take risks, and live a life of abundance. So many people think that self-care is selfish, but it's not. It's essential to living a life of abundance. Holding on to these limiting beliefs is like letting trash accumulate in your front yard. The key insight here is that recognizing and addressing these mistakes is the first step towards transforming your mindset and lifestyle to welcome abundance. It's not about ignoring the problems or pretending that they don't exist, leaving trash in your yard. It is about facing them head-on, clearing out the trash and making changes. By recognizing these mistakes, you'll be able to challenge those limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones, like cleaning your yard, resulting in the most beautiful beliefs, feelings, and conditions. So, what's the most important thing you can do to start attracting abundance into your life? It's not about working harder or making more money. It's about shifting your mindset. It's about recognizing the mistakes you're making and taking action to correct them. It's about living a life of gratitude, trust, and abundance. Give serious thought and reflection to this question, and write down what comes to mind. This first step need not be perfect. More will come to you later. Remember, abundance is a journey, not a destination. It's about living a life that's full, rich, and meaningful. So take the first step today. Start recognizing the mistakes you're making and take action to correct them. You got this. Look yourself in the mirror and say to yourself this one fact: yes, I got this. To wrap up, we've covered the 5 abundance mistakes. 1. Viewing abundance only as a destination. 2. Focusing on lack. 3. Waiting for the perfect time before taking action. 4. Trying to control everything. 5. Not taking care of yourself. We covered some steps you can take to correct them, empowering you to embrace a more abundant life. Remember, it's all about mindset and habits. By making small changes to your daily habits and mindset, you can start attracting abundance into your life, then opulence. Don't be afraid to take the first step. You never know where it might lead and how far you can go. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below to share which mistake resonated with you the most. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on personal growth. Keep the positive momentum going. May your scarcity switch to abundance and your abundance expand into opulence. And as always, dream fearlessly, for you are worthy of the wealth and success you desire.